GL1. That's not GL1, this is. So video on GL1, just because it had a meteoric rise last 2 weeks. News announcement after news announcement. Min-res buying into them even more so, lifting their stake from 5% to 8%. So 500 million now. It's a pretty big mark out from last year, around 30 million. And do you sell if you hold it? Well, I'm not, because I bought it around December, I think. And zoom out. And so I need to hold that 1 year to get that 50% capital gains tax, which makes a lot of sense. So it's a peak now. I see it probably dropping back down a bit, although it could just go higher and higher. And for good reasons, I see it can go high, even to $2 billion, which is a 4x from here. Reasons why is its close neighbor, Pilbara Minerals, just made $560 million profit. So they're doing the same thing, getting spodumene out of the ground, sending it to China. And Pilbara Minerals has downstream as well. Pilbara Minerals actually has a mine going at the moment. But they're like $10 billion plus. GL1, 500 million. Drilling, probably will announce that they're going to build the mine soon. Obviously, they're spearheading it. Min-res is buying in. Min-res, Chris Ellison will want them drilling as fast as they can, getting into production, making a lot of money. And why? Because EVs are way more sense than petrol engines, both for less moving parts, better. You can get power from the sun. Everyone just knows they're better. Anyone wants to argue in the comments, fine. So CATL, the $300 billion company, she just made this new battery design. Better than Tesla's 4680, their best battery design. CATL says they've been in every category, matched them in safety. So that if they set it out a certain way so it can cool better, etc., etc. Goes with LFP, you can watch the video on that. So anyway, EVs are coming on. The whole world's going to need EVs and lithium to go in them. CATL is working on sodium-ion batteries, which will probably take over 2030 if they get it right. It'll be going sodium-ion. Anyway, GL1, not selling, definitely a hold. I wouldn't be buying now, unless you're a big player like Min-res and you have a lot of money and you need to stick it in a company. You can't just buy into a small company. You might buy into this one. So that's it for this video on GL1. I'm not going to talk about any other lithium companies. You could talk on forever about this and that, but that's just a quick video to say I'm holding GL1, at least for 1 year, which will be around December. It could drizzle down now, could go like this, it could go any direction, but long run could go towards $5, and they'll probably announce a feasibility study soon and a mine. Rough figures, not straight away, but they get to 200,000 tons, make $2,000 profit per ton. That's $400 million, and that's probably USD. So say easy $500 million Australian, if they eventually follow in the footsteps of Pilbara Minerals. And guess what? Pilbara Minerals can put this money into a downstream project, or even make their processing better. So FMG, the mining company, used to make iron ore for like $80 a ton, and now they do it for like $20 a ton because they streamlined the process. And that's what will happen with Pilbara Minerals, and GL1 should follow suit, using that money to make more money. And that's good because the world needs a lot of lithium at a low price. So GL1, not much more I can say. So next video I'm probably going to say some graphite stocks. I say lithium's had a run. Graphite is down. Like, they get graphite out of the ground for $500 a ton, sell it for $1,000 a ton. But that's why all the market caps can change in the graphite sector, because what happens when the graphite price goes to $300,000? Sorry, $3,000 a ton, then you're making 3 times the money. You get the point. The price of graphite regrades and the market caps regrade, so I see there could be a re-rating of all graphite stocks in the coming years once graphite goes into short supply, which it most likely will, because there's going to be all these EVs coming online. So stay tuned for my next video on graphite stocks.